With a burnt sienna and ultramarine mix, I'll paint in the shoreline base colors. Remember, these are exposed shoreline shapes that are not covered with masking. I'll vary the burnt sienna ultramarine mix as I go along, avoiding a uniform brown color. Then with a mix of brown madder and phthalo blue, I'll paint in the prominent tree trunk base color. This is a pretty rich mix with a dark enough value to cover up the underlying background tree colors. Like with the shoreline, I'll vary the brown madder phthalo blue mix to avoid producing a uniform brown color. I want variance. To work the smaller branches, I'll drop down to a number 2 round brush. Once the tree trunk base color is dry, I'll suggest some shape and dimension by shading portions of the downlight side of the trunk with phthalo blue.